In this video, I'll show you how to create Telegram channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram, right? Once you're in your Telegram app, what you want to do right now, I'm going to click on this pen icon. Once I've clicked on this, click on this new channel. So I'm going to add up, let me say, I want to add up this. Once I've added up, come on here. Select the channel name. I can name it how to Edo server, right? Okay, let me say how to Edo, right? Description, I can be like educational tutorials, right? Educational tutorials. Once I'm done, like, okay, I can come on here and select the profile picture I want for this, right? I'll use this. I'll click on open. So I'm gonna adjust it to be the very best fit, right? So I think this is cool. Yeah, this one is cool. I'm gonna click on it. Once I'm done with all these things, I'm gonna click on this, right? Once I've clicked on this forward button is gonna create the channel for me right now. So you can see I just created my channel right now, HowTo Edo, right? I just created the channel, and if I come on here, okay, I want to select the profile picture, right? I'm gonna use this, so to make everything look very nice and very clean. So I think this, I'm gonna click on this, I'm gonna save it, right? So you can see I just created my own Discord, my own Telegram channel, sorry. So this is it. This is the HowTo Edo Discord, right? So this the HowTo Edo Telegram. So this is how you can create Telegram channel. If you find this video helpful, share it as the below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. See you all in the very next one.